What's going on, everybody? So today the game plan is to build the battery box, relocate it under the chassis where the old exhaust used to go. I also got the heat wrap in, so I'm going to attempt to heat wrap the exhaust as well. And I'm also going to actually try to start the thing today now that everything's hooked up, just to see if it'll actually start. So I'll film the starting first and then I'll go on to work on the rest of the stuff. For the battery box, I cut up some angled metal with holes there. I just measured it up to the stock battery. I'm going to weld that together, and then I'll figure out a way to attach it underneath the bike as well. This is the battery box for the bottom tray. It's just cooling right now. It's kind of ugly on the inside, but the battery will sit in it, and I gotta figure a way to hook it up to the bottom now of the undercarriage. This is what I've done for the battery box. It's not super pretty, it's not finished. I gotta add a couple more support braces, but essentially that's what it's gonna be. So there's plenty of room on the ground, and it's gonna hold. There's the battery in the tray. Still need to add some sort of support going across here to keep it from falling out, but it's a pretty snug fit. Looks pretty good. I kind of like how it is. It's hidden I don't really see it, so it's good. I'm happy with that for now. I have the exhaust wrap, the first one, soaking in some water. The instructions said or recommended to do that and to wear gloves because of the fiberglass, and believe me, you do not want to touch this without gloves. So I'm just going to let that soak for a minute, and then I'm going to go ahead and try to wrap this. I think the water will also help with the airborne fiberglass because we do not want to breathe that in either. I've also welded some straight pipes onto the exhaust. I was trying to do something with the factory pipes, but just they were too fat to fit with the battery tray there. So this is going to work for now. I think it'll look pretty cool once it's wrapped though. So the wrap came with these metal zip ties. So I'm going to use this to start off at the top of the exhaust where it connects to the cylinder head, and then I'm going to have to work my way down. So I think I'm going to try this one first because it looks a lot easier. It doesn't have that many bends, it's just got one. So I'll go ahead and try to wrap that now. So you should probably want to roll this, roll the edge over just to keep it from the frame. I watched another video where a guy did that. This is the wrapped exhaust. I need to cut those off. It doesn't actually look that bad. It takes a little bit of patience and you gotta really pull on it, but I think it'll hold. I'm gonna have to do some research to see if I need any exhaust wrap ties or any ties like up around the bends, but I don't think so. So it doesn't look that bad. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other one. That's the second exhaust. So this one looks a lot better than the other one. It's tighter. I think it's just because the tubing was smaller, so it's easier to work with. I'm going to go ahead and install this on the bike now. Here is the exhaust on the bike installed. turned out. I need a clamp here to squeeze these together and then mount them somewhere underneath so that it can help support it right now. I mean, it's not that heavy, but I just wanted to make sure it's not going to crack or anything like that. I'll show you guys a better angle, but I can't access one right now until I roll the bike out. So, pretty happy with how that turned out. So that exhaust wrap took a little bit of work, and it's really hot here, and I'm a little tired right now. So I think I'm going to call it quits for today, but I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.